Hello everybody! It is time to start the space heaters up for the 2023-2024 heating season, just to test them out and make sure they're ready to go should I need them. I usually don't need them too often, but it's nice to know they are ready to go into service if they are needed. I will be running them up from newest to oldest. So up first is the Pelonis. Alright. We'll do fan only. Got a power indicator. That started up no problem. And we're at room temperature. It's in the 60s here, 67 I guess. We'll say 1300 watts. And the lights flickered a little bit. Already up to 95, 114, 138, working fine on low speed. Now we'll go to full chooch on the wattage. And it's shooting right up there. So that one is good. I'll let the fan run just a few moments to cool the heating elements down. And then we'll get on to the next heater. That should be sufficient. Next up is the Holmes ceramic. This is the one that needed a repair last year. This one's from 1997. This is the one I had to repair the switch on it last year. Let's see how it's doing. Turn it off, turn it low. This one also has a fan only. And an indicator light. And there it goes. Fan only. Let's do low heat. This one takes just a minute to get going, but it's getting up there. Oh yeah, it's chooching on low. Go up to high heat level. Definitely feeling some nice warm air. There we go. So yeah, that is working. We'll do fan only, let it cool down. That should be adequate. Next will be this old late 70s or early 80s NuTone. There's the data on that one. Model 445TN. This one also has fan only. Startup sound on that one. Go up to 750 watts. We got 750 and 1500. And already filling some warm air. And that one's putting off a stink. Here's what I'm looking for. There we go. That's on low setting. 1500 watts now, full chooch. That's really getting it now. There you go. Very nice. So that one's good to go. Let that one cool off a moment as well. And this one actually puts out some pretty good air. It's quite an effective little heater. I've always liked it. And now, the 50s Toastmaster, which I found in the trash several years back. See what this one will do. This thing's instant with this ribbon element. This thing is ridiculous. And that motor's still working nice and smooth since I serviced it. This thing doesn't mess around. I think my batteries are getting weak in my heat gun. But yeah, well over 300. Just like that. So definitely this thing is freaking blazing in my face, so I'll shut it down. So that's the space heaters all checked out and working for the 2023-2024 heating season. Thank you for watching.